Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every month end I'll prepare the bullet journal for the upcoming month, and it's been so long I have shared my bullet journal with you all, so I thought of sharing it. This month I'm going with the lemon theme, so I grabbed all my yellows and greens. I'm using some gel pens and some sketch pens and colored pens. Let's see how many I'll use. If something goes wrong, some correctors too. For the cover page, I have already made with a pencil. Now I'm just going on it with a pen. The design is pretty simple. I'm just making some lemon slices. The main reason to select this lemon theme is lemon is a natural cleanser. Now it's really important to keep yourself clean and sanitized all the time. So it will be like a reminder when I open this book. And not only that, the colors yellow and green give such a pleasant and fresh vibe. Frankly speaking, for the month of April and May, I haven't prepared any bullet journal just because I felt there is no business and no classes, so why I just have to prepare. But daily I used to write the things to do and stuff, but not a proper bullet journal. But the thing is, I was just procrastinating everything. I haven't done anything like what I thought of doing. Then I realized the importance of journaling. It helps me stay positive and motivated all the time, and I can track everything. Now we all feel like we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, and I know this is quite common during this time. The situation is unpredictable, but still I feel and believe that whatever happens in our life is still under our control. Don't let the outside things affect you. And coming back to the design, I'm just filling the slices with the green, and this some sort of grapefruit I just have filled with the pink and red. Here I'm just going with yellow. I'll get back once I finish this cover page. And that's done. And I felt the June title is little light, so I'm just going with a darker pen. And this is my monthly spread, which I used to write all my important events and tasks. And the right side corner I write 3 topmost goals for this month. And here also I'm just going with some designing like leaves and lemons. Hope it makes some sense after coloring. Now it is not at all looking like a lemon. Even those days when I don't have time to go through my bullet journal, I simply go through this monthly spread so that I know what's the main task for that day, and I'll never get distracted from my major 3 goals. To add more color, I'm just adding alternatively yellow and green for the day blocks, like so. And for the date, I'm making some small lemons. In 2 seconds you can feel lemons there. Hopefully now you can. I love to see these coloring videos. I feel like this is some therapy to relieve our stress, especially in this time-lapse mode. Here comes my daily planner. Each circle represents one day. In that circle, I can write all the things to do for the day. Actually, here I'm just concentrating more on design thing than the functionality. But I feel for this month, this is appropriate. I generally prefer to see my complete week at a glance. So I'm making either 6 or 7 circles according to the week. Previously, I used to start my week with Monday, but now I'm starting my week with Sunday just because I plan the full week thing on Sunday. So it makes some sense to start with Sunday. And I finished all my weeks. And this is my gratitude journal. one line a day, I'll write the things which I am grateful for. This really changed my thinking and my attitude. And this is habit tracker. I want to track my habits because I can improve if I'm not doing well. So I'm tracking my morning routine. Or I'm just making some lemon shapes, but it's not that great. So I'm just going with basic circles. After finishing the task, I can fill it with yellow. Again, the count is wrong, so I'm just correcting. And I wanted to track my exercise also because there are no classes these days, so I am skipping that too. And I want to track my skincare too. These days I am not taking water properly, so I want to track that too. If anything I wanted to add, I can add. After erasing all the marks, this is how it looks. Let's see the cover page and the monthly spread, my daily planner, week at a glance, the gratitude journal, finally the habit tracker. That's it for the video. Hope you all liked the video and found it helpful. Stay positive and happy planning to you. See you all in my next video. Bye.